How did people know when their birthday was before the calendar was created in 8000 BC? Why spend 2 years to learn how to become a pilot when you can literally just buy a plane ticket in 5 minutes? How much does it cost to go to aviation school?
Nowadays, roughly about $100,000.
I got my ticket for $2,000. We both are flying the same plane. If no one on earth is sick anymore, what's the job of a doctor? Isn't that concerning? If someone is born on February 29th, do they age slower because their birthday comes only once every 4 years? What did the first person who joined Twitter scroll on when there was no tweets to look at? Isn't that concerning? Why is World War I called World War I when there were so many other wars before? Technically speaking, it should be World War X or 15.